Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can customize Keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and choose System. Then click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used one, in my case Keyboard. Over here, go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, tap Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!